Right, we got some evercross scooters, and this bigger one here is rated at 335 pounds. So this will probably be the one that I spend most time on. The bigger scooter is similar as far as basically being assembled, except for the seat, and then you'll just figure out how to rotate that up. Just releases by pressing that. You just have to press that really hard. You can push it about 99% of the way down and it wouldn't release. I mean, it took a lot of force to get that there, because it looks like it's got pieces on either side that have to clear just right for it to release. Probably a good safety feature, but if you're not real strong, you may struggle with getting that to release. I saw online where people were wondering about this piece, which holds the seat. It looks like you can unscrew that and take this completely off. I don't know about unscrewing those and taking this whole piece off of here or not. I may look at this real closely and see if it's safest to do it there, or if you're able to do it there without affecting anything behind it. I don't know if you'd want to ride it with the seat removed and standing up. I'll have to see what it looks like once the seat's on. Strange, but I don't see any installation setup instructions, just how to drive it instructions. Using one of the included Allen keys, loosen this bolt here. That should go back on there. Looks like you want to kind of put it on that way so that washer stays between there instead of getting crooked. And then just snug it up real tight. It's a 10mm nut on this side to tighten that down. Okay, I got that over there. They just have it twisted tight, so that it was so tight that it wouldn't even fit over there. So you just got to loosen it enough that it'll get over there and then clamp. And you see, even with me loosening it as many turns as I did, it still doesn't want to clamp down. So they had it torqued really tight. So that'll hold that. The seat actually looks really comfy, and it looks like it works just like a bicycle seat, so you can turn that to loosen and then tighten there. So just slide that post, get it approximately where you think you want it, and then snug it up. You kind of want it snug but not super tight, so that when you pull that, it will hold. There's a fine line between so tight that you can't lock this into place, as well as so loose that it pushes back down. There we go. So that's snug now. So if you're wanting to remove the seat post, I think for simplicity's sake, you want to do it by just removing these with the included tool. And Loctite on it. Like I said, you could remove this, but it's going to take more work, and you have to get underneath here and unbolt those nuts, it looks like, to take that off, which is going to affect your suspension. I don't know how much tension there is there if you were to undo that with those spring out or whatever. Whereas this way, you just take that one bolt out, the seat disappears, and then you can always put it back on real easy. And imagine this and unbolt from there and just that come off. Maybe even a way to get this completely off of there. Just depends on how permanently you want the seat off. For me, I don't see us using the seat. I sat on it. I mean, it's a comfortable seat, don't get me wrong, but I don't see us using this as a seated scooter very often. And using the 10mm, just unscrew that. This is going to be on a spring.
Hey, I'm working with Blondie Communications.
So just save that piece along with the spring that came out of there in case you want to put it back on.